tight fit, as you see.
So when I moved to Phoenix and I got my LLC up and off the ground, this was one of my first field welding contracts, which I was just going out once or twice a week and welding a pipe for maybe 5 to 20 hours. And the pay was okay. And I uploaded this video. I had a guy, one of the Mexicans that was on the job site with me. He shot the video for me. And I just wanted to upload it just to show my work ethics. And, you know, I didn't know that it was going to take off. You know, as of now, you know, it got 5,000 views without me promoting it. So this video influenced me to create the welding and hip-hop program. And that's why I designed it.